you have decided to install a solar energy system for your home to not only reduce your electricity bill, but also help the environment by decreasing your carbon footprint. The solar energy system, which can produce the desired outcome, will cost about $20,000. You might or might not have that kind of money sitting around in your bank. If you do, that's great. But if you don't, we'll help you find the money you need. Hi, I'm Mohidul Saad, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. In next 2.5 minutes, you will learn how you can finance your solar energy system with the Power Saver program, which will save you thousands of dollars.
Power Saver is a government-sponsored program which finances renewable energy projects. The beauty of this project is that the interest rates are low and financed for very long periods of time. Due to the long-term financing option, the payments remain low, and that makes the Power Saver program a great financing tool for homeowners who are interested in installing a solar energy system. Let me show you how Power Saver can save you thousands of dollars and what makes it such a great financing tool. Let us assume that you are paying $200 a month for your electricity bill, and you are interested in installing a solar energy system worth $20,000. You are paying $4,000 as down payment and want to finance the rest, which comes out to be $16,000. What are the best possible financing options? Our research shows that the Power Saver program is, so far, the best financing option. The interest rates for this program are low, and the amount is financed for as long as 20 years. Due to the long-term financing option, you will get to enjoy low payments as little as $120 a month. The solar energy system you installed will reduce your electricity bill by as much as 90%. The 90% reduction in your electricity bill will result in a payment of $80 to the power company. The loan payment and the electric bill combined come out to be $200. You have managed to break even as $200 covers your reduced electricity bill and Power Saver loan payment. Here's the good news. The federal government will reimburse you 30% of your investment, which comes out to be $6,000. If you reduce your Power Saver loan principal by $6,000, your payment will be reduced to $75. Due to the reduction in the Power Saver loan principal, you will start saving $45 a month. There are state programs where they reimburse you as much as 50% of your solar energy investment. Let us assume that your state will reimburse you 30% of your total solar energy investment. This will reduce your solar energy investment by another $6,000. If you reduce your Power Saver loan principal by another $6,000, your payment will be reduced to $30. Due to the reduction in your Power Saver loan principal, you will start saving another $40, and the total savings come out to be $90 a month. Over the 25 years for which your solar panels are warranted, you will be saving another $27,000.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinstallguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at SolarInstGuru and like us on Facebook.com/SolarInstallGuru. Thank you.